Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to integrate WebinarJam with AWeber. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log in to your account. First, go to Zapier. Zapier is a platform used for automating tasks between different apps. In Zapier, you can integrate a wide range of apps to automate workflows and tasks across different platforms. Now, in the top left corner, click on Create and select Zaps. If you have any questions along the way, don't worry. The Copilot feature is available to guide you through the process. Now go on to the first trigger and search here for WebinarJam. Once you find it, choose WebinarJam from the options. Next, move to the second trigger and search for AWeber, then select it. Return to the WebinarJam setup to complete the trigger event options. Choose the Sign Up option to connect your WebinarJam account and enter your WebinarJam API key. Click Yes to continue and fill in all the configuration settings. After that, complete the test settings. Now proceed to the AWeber setup to finish the action event options. Click Sign In to connect your AWeber account, enter your AWeber login name, then enter the password and click Allow Access. Then complete the configuration settings and finalize the test settings. Finally, click Publish, and you're all set. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.